Okay, we're gonna be taking these two chips out, these two chips on the board, and we also gonna be putting the battery. We're gonna be connecting the battery next to the capacitor. So this is the battery. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the process of changing these two, of removing these two chips and putting them back. So let's start. I've got my solder wire here. I'm gonna use a little bit of flux. Okay, let me put it there, put my flux there. Put more. Okay. The first chip is out. I'm gonna go to the second one. Chip is out. Okay. And now I'm just gonna quickly clean my chip just to make sure all this solder is out there. There you go. First chip is clean. Where's my second one? There you go. There you are. Okay. So on the board, as you can see, I'm gonna make use of tensapine, or you can make use of acetone or benzene just to clean the board to make sure that they are all clean and all the time. So make use of that. I'm gonna clean the board now quickly just to make sure it's clean. I'm gonna remove the last of the solder that is left there. Making use of my solder wick just to make sure that every point is clean and perfect. Okay, so one important thing about chips, as you can see, the chips has got a point here. So when you see that point, it's the starting leg. So as I check through my pot there, it notifies me that my starting leg will be here where there's a dot. So that means my chip will sit exactly just like that. I'll have my chip coming in just like this. I'm gonna come there. This is my starting leg. I put it there. Solder first leg. So I'm gonna solder the first leg here. Solder the second one. First two is there. I'm gonna solder this tight. So all legs have been soldered properly now. I'm gonna put another one. So based on experience, I'm just using my hands, but you can literally make use of tweezers. So these are the materials to make use of the holders. You can make use of this called tweezers. So you need to make use of this to hold the chip. So I'm gonna put this one here, and this one will come in like this. So you can see the point shows you there. Then your starting point will be here. Then I'm coming with it. I'm gonna hold my chip like this. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, I'm gonna hold my chip like this. Making use of the tweezers. Solder the first leg, second, and you just hold your bad legs. There you go. There you go, there you go. Okay, so I've just literally removed all my chips and I put them back. So now I'm gonna put back the battery. I'm connecting the battery here. So the battery reads, as you can see, I'm gonna switch on the multimeter. It's been put on 20 voltage DC. I'm gonna switch it on. Switch my battery on. The power's moving there. I'm gonna put my positive. This is my positive part, and this is my negative. It's 289, so the battery still got enough power. Okay, our batteries are literally 3.7, so if it's 289, it's still pretty cool to be used. And I'm gonna connect it here. So this is my positive, and this is my negative. So I take my positive wire, I'm connecting to positive point. Then my negative wire will go to my negative point. Then I should be having enough power. If I measure here, I should be able to get, so I'm going to measure from the back. From here now I should be able to get enough voltage. Let's see that. Oh, there was a short there. Okay, let me see something here. It's literally short of power coming off all the battery. No, the battery voltage is quite very low. Yeah, the battery is like 0.65 or 620. I didn't notice. So it's literally showing me the correct amount of capacity. Then we also got our capacitor here connected, and also your button. So we're just gonna quickly do. Last one is gonna be our power button replacement. So I'm just gonna take it off and put it back in. So I need more solder on the power supply. Put more solder on it. So to see, it's gonna be the very same sequence with anything that it's got legs on the board and you're removing. So you're just gonna do this. Just make sure you put more solder. Then you're gonna make use of. Okay. Just gonna pull. So what you do, just basically pull, bend both parts, and you pull it out. So I'm just left with these parts. So just gonna pull. Just gonna pull. There you go. I got it. So my power button is out. Just cleaning it to make it look nicely. Just cleaning it to make sure it looks perfect. Then use my solder sucker to actually clean the holes to look even perfect. So just put it there. There you go. It opens your hole perfectly good. There you go. A little bit stuffy my sucker, I don't know. And sometimes when you get to the level, you can just use your solder wick just to make sure it cleans perfectly fine. Make sure everything is like literally favored. Like you can see through your holes perfectly. When you're on that stage, then just do a quick cleaning. Also, make sure do quick cleaning. And you give it a little bit of a time to dry. So for the sake of the lesson, we're just gonna do a little bit of a wipe in there, making sure it's clean. I'm just gonna make sure all the solder is out of my power button, and I'm gonna literally connect it back. So this is how you put it back in. The very same leg that you took off, you just take it back to its point. Every point that you take it off out of top. Oops. Looks like our alignment. Okay. There's one leg that wasn't aligned. That was the issue here. Had one leg that was sitting very funny. So just doing that. So I'm gonna remove this. It's literally an extra solder that it's on the. But I thought you'll be having this issue because you'll be using a new power button. So I'm reusing the same power button, so it's giving me issues, so you don't have to stress as much as I do here. Okay, my alignment is good. It's just one leg. Let's look, it's good. I'm gonna push it in. There you go. I got all my legs inside. There you go. So I can literally see all my legs on the other side, and I can just push it through. I'm just gonna put a little bit of a solder. So I'm just gonna put it through while making sure everything comes out perfect. Yeah, and make sure not to combine all the solders, so each solder needs to be independent to its point. So okay, this one I'm just a little bit not happy with it. There you go, perfect. So power button is replaced. So that's how you replace your chips, your battery, and then your power button. So I'm sure you've learned quite a lot from this lesson. Thank you very much.